Welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I'll discuss with you writing task 1. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Our question for today is the graph below represents the rate of smoking in Sunland by men and women per 1000%. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So we are given this graph. It's a line graph. And on the x-axis we are given the years. On y-axis we are given the number of person who smoked. Rate of smoking in some land, men and women. Blue one represent men and women is represented by the red line. Per 1000%. So we can see that men used to smoke, more men used to smoke than women, and the trend was opposite. As the time passes, more women started smoking. The number of women started smoking was higher than. As in case of men, what happened? The number of men started decreasing, those who smoked. So the rendered line graph means given line graph depicts the ratio of smoking in some land by, it's not VU, by, it's by men and women per 1000% in the given years. Overall, it is conspicuous from the graph, means clear from the graph that male smokers outnumber female smokers, means males were higher than female. However, with the passage of time, the pattern reversed as men began to smoke less and women began to smoke more. Explicitly, in 1960, the highest number of men, 600, and the lowest number of women, 100, per 1000% smoke. Means out of 1000%, 600 men and 100 women used to smoke. After a decade, the number of female smokers nearly doubled, while the number of male smokers dropped to approximately 580 per 1000%. So what happened after a decade, means after 10 years, in 1970, what happened? It doubled, the number of women doubled, and it reached to 580 per 1000%. In 1975, 300 women and 500 men used to smoke per 1000%. So 300 women and 500 men. 300 women and 500 men used to smoke in 1975. And we can see that the ratio remained same till 1985 in case of men. Sorry, the number remained same, not the ratio because it's a number. The number of women smokers remained same. It's till 1990. Let's see. Yes, till 1990 almost we can say that number was same. While the number of men smokers plunged to 400 in 1985 and remained identical after 5 years. So the number of smokers plunged to 400, means decreased to 400 in 1985. Let's see, in 1985, yes, it plunged to 400 and then it remained almost same. We can't say identical, we have to write that almost identical. Almost identical after 5 years. Now in 1995, the rate of smoker fell by nearly 10% for both the genders. Let's see. It has to be fell by nearly 100% for both. Means from 400 to 300 they reached, men reached from 400 to 300 and women from 300 to 200. Let's see, in 1995, yes, we can see that from 300 to 200 approximately and from 400 to 300 approximately. And in 2000, women reached to 200 and men were 250 or 40 nearly who used to smoke. Lastly, in 2000, smoking was favored by 200 females and 250 males per 1000%. We can write nearly because exact amount is not given. So nearly 250 men used to smoke per 1000%. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.